Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our presentation. Today, we're excited to introduce you to Hamly Tensiles and metal art. This is our starting point, and we'll be exploring the creative world where tensile structures meet artistic design. Over the next few slides, we'll cover the key projects, the innovative techniques we use, and the vision behind our work. I'm glad you're here, so let's get started. Welcome to Hamly Tensiles and metal art, your premier destination for exceptional tensile and metal creations that truly transform ideas into stunning realities. Here, we focus on turning your vision into something extraordinary. Our company was founded by industry stalwarts who bring over 15 years of hands-on experience. We proudly operate under the name HTMA, Hamly Tensiles and Metal Art, so you can trust in our expertise and reputation. With a legacy rooted in deep industry knowledge and a genuine passion for design, we specialize in creating striking and innovative tensile and metal works. Our goal is to push the boundaries of both art and engineering, blending creativity with technical precision. Thanks to our extensive experience, we're able to take your concepts and turn them into breathtaking, durable, and functional pieces. Whether it's for a commercial project or a custom installation, we strive to deliver excellence every single time. Our team is committed to crafting customized, high-quality designs that are also cost-effective. We don't just meet expectations, we aim to exceed them. From the initial concept right through to the final installation, we bring your vision to life with precision, creativity, and unmatched craftsmanship. This is how we make your ideas a stunning reality. Let's take a closer look at our head office, which is located in Aligarh, Uttar Pradesh. This is a significant hub for our operations and serves as the central point for our management and strategic planning. Aligarh, as you may know, is a prominent city in Uttar Pradesh, known for its educational institutions and industrial contributions. By situating our head office here, we are positioning ourselves in a city that offers both historical significance and strategic advantages. This location enables us to effectively coordinate our activities across different regions and stay connected with key markets. Overall, our head office in Aligarh reflects our commitment to being rooted in a location that supports growth, accessibility, and operational excellence. Tensile fabrics are really fascinating materials because they are made from high-strength synthetic fibers specifically designed to handle tension and stretching. When we talk about tensile structures, these fabrics are the backbone that allows for lightweight, flexible, and durable designs. The two most common types you'll encounter are polyester-based fabrics with either PVC or PTFE coatings, and fiberglass-reinforced fabrics with PTFE coatings. Polyester fabrics are quite popular. They're strong, flexible, and durable, making them ideal for various tensile structures. When we add a PVC coating, it significantly boosts water resistance, UV protection, and mildew resistance, which is essential for outdoor applications. On the other hand, a PTFE coating on polyester offers increased durability, chemical resistance, and can withstand higher temperatures and environmental stress. Now, the second type is fiberglass-reinforced fabric, which is known for its exceptional strength, lightness, and fire resistance. These qualities make it suitable for more demanding or high-performance applications. The PTFE coating on fiberglass enhances weather resistance, UV stability, and helps keep the fabric clean over time. Connecting this to our overall theme, understanding these materials helps us appreciate how tensile fabrics combine strength, flexibility, and weather resilience, key factors that enable innovative architectural and structural designs. So why should we use tensile materials? Well, first off, tensile strength is all about a material's ability to resist pulling or stretching forces. This makes it incredibly valuable in construction and engineering because it helps ensure structures can withstand forces like wind, weight, or even seismic activity. When we choose materials with high tensile strength, we're essentially selecting options that won't easily snap or break under tension. This means safer, more durable structures that last longer and perform reliably over time. Another key point is flexibility. Tensile materials often offer a degree of flexibility, which allows them to absorb shocks and movements without failure. That's especially important in dynamic environments where forces can change suddenly. And of course, using tensile materials can lead to innovative designs. Because they're strong and flexible, they open up possibilities for lighter, more efficient structures. Think of bridges, cables, or even modern architectural elements that push the boundaries of what's possible. Overall, integrating tensile materials aligns perfectly with our goal of creating resilient, sustainable, and forward-thinking solutions. It's a fundamental reason why they're so essential in our work moving forward. So, where can we actually use tensile structures? Well, these versatile structures are suitable for a wide range of applications. You'll often see them in sports stadiums and arenas, providing large, open spaces with minimal support. They're also popular in airports and transportation hubs, offering shelter while maintaining an open, airy feel. Beyond that, tensile structures are great for commercial spaces like shopping centers or exhibition halls, where aesthetics and functionality go hand in hand. They're even used in outdoor pavilions, canopies, and walkways, offering protection from the elements without feeling bulky. What's really exciting is how their flexibility allows them to adapt to different environments, whether it's a temporary event or a permanent installation. Overall, their ability to combine strength, transparency, and visual appeal makes them an excellent choice for many architectural and functional needs across various sectors. Let's take a moment to look at some of our recent executions. Here, we're highlighting a few key examples that showcase our approach in action. These cases are important because they demonstrate not only our capabilities, but also how we apply our strategies to real-world situations. By reviewing these, we can better understand what works well and identify areas for continuous improvement. Essentially, these examples help us connect the dots between our planning and actual results, reinforcing the overall theme of effective execution and consistent performance. This slide doesn't contain enough information. That's why we're moving to the next slide. This slide doesn't contain enough information. That's why we're moving to the next slide. This slide doesn't contain enough information. That's why we're moving to the next slide. This slide doesn't contain enough information. That's why we're moving to the next slide. This slide doesn't contain enough information. That's why we're moving to the next slide. This slide doesn't contain enough information. That's why we're moving to the next slide. This slide doesn't contain enough information. That's why we're moving to the next slide. This slide doesn't contain enough information. That's why we're moving to the next slide. This slide doesn't contain enough information. That's why we're moving to the next slide. This slide doesn't contain enough information. That's why we're moving to the next slide. And that brings us to the final slide. If you're interested in working with us or have any questions, please feel free to reach out using the contact details provided. We are Hamly Tensiles and Metal Art, conveniently located opposite the telephone exchange on Gabhana Bypass in Aligarh. You can call us at either 9,311,180,5207 or 9,997,080,9786. If you're thinking about getting your tensile structure fabricated, don't hesitate to get in touch. We're here to help bring your ideas to life with quality and expertise. Thank you for your attention, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.